Hello student, Veena Dikshit here. Please like and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends. Release each other pressures. Thanks in advance. All the best. Get success my child. We will do here conversions. Okay, 1 or 2 step conversion. For example, convert CH3COCl to CH3COH. What is CH3COCl? This is called acid chloride. Acetyl chloride will say acetyl chloride. Okay, so it will give you acetic acid. Again this acetyl chloride to amide. Okay, first I did acetyl chloride to acetic acid. So only thing is hydrolysis of acetyl chloride will give you acetic acid. Now acetyl chloride to acetamide. Acetyl chloride when react with ammonia will get acetamide. Okay, now acetyl chloride to ethanamine. Here I have not written ethanamine. I will do it here. Okay, if we will do reduction S2NiPT, then we'll get ethanamine CH3CH2NH2. This is ethanamine. Same carbonamine. Ethanamine. Clear? Same carbonamine. So when it is 2 carbon acetyl chloride, when react with ammonia, it will form acetamide. Reduction of this acetamide will give you ethanamine. Now if we'll do Br2KOH, that is half man bromide degradation, we will get lower amines. Okay, CH3NH2 is lower amine. Clear? 1 carbon less amine. Now see here, convert acetyl chloride to acetic anhydride. For this, what we have to do? We will add acetic acid into it. So acetyl chloride when reacts with acetic acid, HCl will be lost and will get acetic anhydride. Then 1 step conversion acetyl chloride to acetaldehyde. So rose and moon reduction, remember that. When acetyl chloride reacts with hydrogen in presence of PDBaSO4, it will give you acetaldehyde, that is also called ethanol. Okay, so this is partial reduction. Okay, complete reduction of CH3COCl give ethanol. But here we have to control the this reduction. So PDBaSO4 control the reduction because it is poison catalyst. Okay, so it will stop the reaction here, acetaldehyde. Now see acetyl chloride to acetone, very important. When dimethyl cadmium is reacting with CH3COCl, it will give you twice of CH3COCH3, that is acetone, and CdCl2 will be obtained. In this way, you can convert this acetyl chloride into any ketone. If we will take C2H5 whole twice CD, that is diethyl cadmium. At that time, ethyl group will be there, so you will get 2